Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at these jelly gels, what Kredioo have kindly sent for us to take a look at. So this is what it looks like inside the box. This is how they come packaged. You've got your instruction manual on the top, which is a nice detailed instruction manual. As most of you guys probably already know now, I do like an instruction manual with pictures. It also comes in loads of different languages as well, which is really nice, really helpful. So you get 5ml. How cute are these bottles, guys? I love them. So this is the first one, D1, which is a white. Now, these are called jelly gels, but I would say they're more like milky gels rather than jelly gels. And I was actually really happy about that, because I think the jelly gels are going a little bit out of fashion now, where these milky gels are more bang on trend at the minute. So that's what it looks like after one coat. Yeah, so I was really happy actually. There was more on the milky side. I've seen quite a few really cool designs on Instagram just lately done with these milky gels. So I am going to swatch all of them with you today, but I'm just going to do the first coat on camera with you, and then off camera I'm going to give them all a second coat, and then I'll give them a top coat, and then we'll come back in and take a look at them at the end. So I'm just going to let you get on and watch the rest of the swatches, and I'll pop some music on.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I say the songs for you. When you feel down and bitter, shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Hold me close till I get up. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Right, guys and girlies, Biatch is back. I didn't quite make it to the end because I wanted to talk to you a little bit about these last two gels. Look at that. How beautiful is that? These last two are stunning, guys. So I want to show you them over a black and a white. That's why I've painted half white and half black. Wait until you see this, especially over the black. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. So that's what it looks like over the black. Over the white, it's still really, really pretty, but it's not as prominent as what it is over the black. But I'll show you in a minute once I've swatched it. To the eye, it is actually a lot more visible than what it is on camera. My camera's doing it no justice whatsoever. Look at that over the black. Yeah, I love it. So over the white, you can't really see it, but I'm going to block the light out in a minute and you'll be able to see it a lot better. Look at that. And I can see that to the eye all the time. Yeah, it's so pretty. And the next one is just as pretty as well. So this one is D12, which is the last one. Wait until you see this one, guys. Look at that. It's got that kind of blue UV shift. Stunning. So are you ready to see this? It's mesmerizing. Look at that. I love this color. Really, really pretty. Right, let's take a close-up look of this one as well now. So that's what it looks like over the black. It's beautiful. It's got like a purpley pink to a blue shift. And then the white has got all sorts of colours shining through. It's like a rainbow on a nail. It's beautiful. I actually love them two gels. They're definitely my favourite out of this kit, without a doubt. They're stunning. Look at that on the black as well. It's just so beautiful. So that's them all swatched now, guys. So that is them all had 2 coats, and they've had a coat of the Kredioo shiny top coat on them as well. And as sheer as some of them were after the first coat, I was really happy with every single one of them after the second coat. I mean, if you want these to be more pigmented, you can just keep going in with more layers. But for me, as Milky gels, this is the sort of colour I would want them to look. They're really, really pretty, aren't they? My favourite ones are definitely the first 3. I can see me using them a lot, especially the nudes. I can see me doing a lot of peekaboo nails and things like that with those. I really like when I'm doing a gel polish design, but I want it to look like I've done a builder gel set. I really like using them for that because they do give a kind of builder gel effect. I really like that middle pink one as well. And then end 2 are just, oh, they're out of this world, aren't they? They're beautiful. Love them. So These are available to buy on Amazon, guys. I have got a 10% off discount code for the Kredioo Amazon store, which is NailsGG10. I shall leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to these and the link to the Kredioo Amazon store. I want to say a massive thank you to Kredioo for sending these out for us to take a look at. I'm well happy with them. I can't wait to start using them now. I've got a few ideas in mind what I want to do with them. So I think that is everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.